How's it going? This is Steve Lynn, and quickly I want to show you another great looking website. This one is for people who are in the, let's say the lunch delivery services business. Perhaps they're someone who is a personal chef, someone that wants to do something with food and promote themselves with a mobile web page or mobile site. This is a great site, and we can adjust it for any need or purpose that you need. Now, if you just simply like the colors of this site and you want to use it for a purpose as a business, we can adjust the images, change them out, change the logo, put your information in, do whatever we want to do with it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this particular site. It's very nice looking. You can see right now it has all the components: a phone number, mail, website. It has your name up here if you want to promote yourself under your own label. And of course, we can change it out to whatever you want. This is just a sample site. But you can see how wonderful it looks. Put your website, your follow me. If you have 1 or 2 or 3 different social connections, we can set that up, have people go to that. And we can put anything else on here as well. But the look and feel is just fantastic. Change out the icon, do things like that. And you can see how nice it looks. It's got the web form. You can fill out the web form, do stuff like that, send a message, just so much more. So if you have interest in this particular look and feel for a mobile website that's incredibly fast, and we can market to mobile, or you can market to mobile clients, it's a great looking site. So take a look at it. If you have some interest, get back with me. Look forward to talking to you.